How to remove account warning on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Here scroll down to the Support and About section and tap on Report a Problem. Once you are here, scroll down to the end and tap on Submit a Report. In the text bar, mention the issue you're facing. For example, ask for help to remove account warning. Then tap on Submit below. Following these steps, you can easily remove account warning on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.